This is the Imperia RMN220, and today we're going to go over replacing the belt and pulley, which is available on imperiaparts.com. And so we'll just dive right in. Before getting started, make sure the machine's unplugged. Seems obvious, but you can forget sometimes. We're going to go ahead and remove both of these flathead screws. We'll get one of the guy out. And a flathead screwdriver is the only tool we're gonna need to do this, so it's fairly easy. Pull the cover off. Here's your belt and pulley, and you'll see in the replacement kit that we've got two new pieces and a new belt. Make sure to replace all the components. Even if they appear okay, they get stressed, and there's a good chance that they're just going to break quickly again. Keep this bushing handy, and obviously this is a brand new machine, so it's in perfect shape. But you can see as I get these pieces off that there are a couple of keys. So these can fall out if the gear cracked, and typically they fall inside the bottom of the machine. And so just kind of shake the machine around, and you can, if you hear a little piece of metal floating around, you know they're in there. And then there's this half moon key as well. It's on top. I'll take it out for you so you can. This is the half moon key that goes on top, and both of these keys are available in a separate kit, which is called the variety kit, and that's also available on imperiaparts.com. So if unfortunately you lost it, you'll need to order that kit to complete this task. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the belt and pulley. Now the bottom pulley has this plastic backing facing out, and that goes as such. And the one on top is opposite, so it has it on the back side. We'll get this lined up. And that's pretty much it. A really common mistake is to get the top turned around, in which case the belt isn't lined up, and the machine will still operate, but what will happen is it'll start to wear the edge of the belt either against the machine or against the pulley, and it'll make a really weird noise, and then you'll have little bits of belt just kind of all over the place. And so you want to make sure that this portion, this backing, is facing out on the bottom, and on the top that it's facing in, and that's the right way. The timing belt doesn't matter which way you put it on. Go ahead and reinstall this plastic bushing or Teflon bushing here, and then reinstall the cover. These screws can be a little tricky to reinstall. Let's see if we can get it. If you have a hard time lining them up, a really easy fix is to turn the machine on its side and then drop them straight in. So just flip the machine on its back and then drop the screw straight from the top. And you're all set. Plug it in and get back to work.